Chevy Silverado taillight bulb replacement. Drop the tailgate. Got 2 Phillips screws right there. And then twists out. Pops out. And just pop the new bulb in. Snap it back in place. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.